Welcome to the Australian National Botanic Gardens and the Flower, Fruit and Foliage Walk of the 15th of December 2021.
Pandaria jasminoides is covered in scented pink trumpet flowers with attractive mid-green foliage. This woody vine, also known as Bower of Beauty, is native to New South Wales and Queensland and forms large pointed pods filled with papery seeds.
Decaspermum strucoilicum, or Mount Morgan myrtle, is a small tree with shiny olive green leaves and many fluffy white flowers. This plant is considered endangered in the wild and occurs only in a very few localities near Mount Morgan in southeastern Queensland.
Homeranthus montanus, or mountain mousebush, has dense green foliage and pink buds opening to lemon flowers. This plant is native to a small area of southeastern Queensland and is considered vulnerable in the wild.
Callistemon harkness is a cultivar created in 1937, a large bush with weeping light green foliage and bright red flowers.
Callistemon littlejohn is a dwarf form of Callistemon viminalis. This plant shows a stunning contrast between deep red bottlebrush flowers and green-blue foliage.
Melaleuca raphiophila, or needle-leaved honey myrtle, or swamp paperbark, is a small tree with fine green foliage and fluffy white flowers. This plant is native to southwestern Western Australia.
Banksia roba, or swamp banksia, has long egg-shaped leaves which are shining on top and dull underneath. This plant is native to the eastern mainland coast of Australia, usually in sandy or swampy conditions. The flowers are bluish-green when young, developing into yellow, green, and then rusty brown as they age.
Grevillea coconut ice has large pink-orange spider flowers with long red styles. This hybrid plant was grown from seed collected from Grevillea bipinnatifida, and the male parent was Grevillea banksii, the white-flowered form. The seedling was raised by Mr. M. Hodge of Queensland.
Lambertia formosa, or mountain devil, has red flowers with long stamens and sepals. The common name comes from the horny wood seed follicles, which were used to make small devil figures. This plant is endemic to the coast and ranges of New South Wales.
Grevillea errasa, subspecies Didymochyton, is a tall, rangy bush with oblong green foliage and red spider flowers, native to the Moruya and Pambula areas of southeastern New South Wales.
Grevillea asteriscosa, or starleaf grevillea, has small dark green prickly foliage and lipstick red flowers with long styles. This plant is native to southwestern Western Australia.
Grevillea wilsonii tripartita is a tall, rangy bush with prickly foliage and large pink spider flowers with red styles.
Grevillea whiteiana is a tall, rangy bush with dark green linear leaves and creamy white racemes of flowers. This plant is native to southeastern Queensland.
Hakea victoria, or royal hakea, has stem clasping green veined foliage with prickly edges. This plant is found in a restricted area on the south coast of Western Australia.
Lambertia inermis, or Noongar chitic, is a shrub which is endemic to the south coast of Western Australia, with green foliage and large orange wagon wheel flowers.